Did you notice the sentiment score for hardware has jumped to plus 0.50? That's significant, especially with a momentum of minus 0.65. Typically, a sentiment spike like this paired with negative momentum suggests a shift in perception that could be worth investigating further. When you query our Hardware Sentiment API, it returns real-time sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, giving you a nuanced view of how hardware topics are trending. For example, if you're developing a product or strategy in the tech sector, understanding this spike can help you align your messaging or product features with current consumer sentiment. Dive deeper into this data and leverage it for your next project. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.